In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block and report users on Depop. This is an important skill for maintaining a positive and safe experience on the platform. Whether you're encountering unwanted interactions or you see something inappropriate, knowing how to handle these situations can make your time on Depop more enjoyable and secure. Let's start with blocking users. First, you'll need to open the Depop app and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the profile of the user you want to block. You can do this by simply tapping on their username whenever you come across it on the app. When you're on their profile page, look for the three dots, which are usually located in the top right corner. Tap on these dots and you'll see an option labeled Block. Select this option and then confirm your choice to finalize the action. Now, what happens after you block someone? The blocked user won't be able to follow you or see any of the items you're selling. They will still see your username if they go to their message history, but they won't be able to reach out to you. This is a great way to prevent unwanted contact while still preserving any necessary records. Next, let's talk about reporting users, whether it's a specific encounter or a particular listing causing you concern. Head back to the user's profile or the item listing in question. Once again, click on the three dots to bring up a menu, and this time select Report. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for the report, such as inappropriate content, scams or fraudulent activity, or behavior like harassment or bullying. Be honest and objective when selecting the reason, as this helps the Depop team understand the issue clearly. If the situation requires more explanation, there's an option to add additional details. Be as thorough as needed without adding unnecessary information. Once you're satisfied with your report, go ahead and submit it. The Depop Trust and Safety team will then review the report comprehensively and take the appropriate action, ensuring the platform remains safe and enjoyable for all users. Maintaining a safe environment on Depop is a shared responsibility. By knowing how to effectively block and report users, you're actively contributing to a more secure community. Keep these instructions in mind whenever you're navigating any challenging interactions on the app. Thank you for watching, and remember, a positive experience on Depop starts